150,000 separate muscles. That is why they are not only strong but are also very flexible and multi-purpose. And if the timber log is too big for the elephant to carry and destroy all their crops which are due for harvesting, some of the fruit trees will put down to the ground and destroy. The question is why such human and elephant conflict happening in places like India, Indonesia, and other Asian countries, where in the name of development, large part of the tropical rainforest being cleared for timber, all from cultivation, building dams, roads, and eventually establishing human settlement. The dramatic loss of the tropical rainforest lost forever gradually destroyed the natural habitat of our Asian elephant. And even while the farmers are replanting and recultivating their farmland, the farmers watch the displaced wild elephant in their farmland. They were scared and few of them ran for their life. They picked the crop because only few elephants left. One elephant who broke and lift up the displaced wild elephant, escorted and returned literally at the elephant sanctuary. For joining us for this elephant interaction and thank you. All the elephants are saying thank you, and thank you to each and every one of you. And right now, all the elephants, they're going to come very close to you, so do not make it go. For your information, our next show, our next performance is going to be the S2. Elephant aquatic or the elephant swimming. The show will start at 11:10 and the stage is located just beside us on the right hand side. And for your information, as for this